everyone, welcome back to Goria Kids channel. Today we learn Asian countries name, flags, capitals and currencies. So let's start the video. Asia is Earth's largest and most populous continent. Asia located primarily in eastern and northern hemisphere. Asia is bounded on east by the Pacific Ocean, on the south by Indian Ocean and on the north by Arctic Ocean. The world's highest mountain, the Himalayas, are in Asia. India, capital New Delhi, currency Indian rupee. Nepal, capital Kathmandu, currency Nepalese rupee. Bhutan, capital Thimphu, currency Bhutanese Ngaltram. Bangladesh, capital Dhaka, currency Taka. Myanmar, capital Naypyidaw, currency Kyat. China, capital Beijing, currency renminbi yuan. Taiwan, capital Taipei, currency New Taiwan dollar. Mongolia, capital Ulaanbaatar, currency Tughrik Tuareg. Russia, capital Moscow, currency ruble. Japan, capital Tokyo, currency yen. North Korea, capital Pyongyang, currency North Korean won. South Korea, capital Seoul, currency South Korean won. Sri Lanka, Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte, currency Sri Lankan rupee. Indonesia, capital Jakarta, currency Indonesian rupiah. Malaysia, capital Kuala Lumpur, currency ringgit. Vietnam, capital Hanoi, currency dong. Maldives, capital Male, currency Maldivian rupiah. Laos, capital Vientiane, currency kip. Philippines, capital Manila, currency Philippine peso. Brunei, capital Bandar Seri Begawan, currency Brunei dollar. Singapore, capital Singapore, currency Singapore dollar. Thailand, capital Bangkok, currency baht. East Timor, capital Dili, currency US dollar. Cambodia, capital Phnom Penh, currency riel. Pakistan, capital Islamabad, currency Pakistani rupee. Afghanistan, capital Kabul, currency Afghani. Uzbekistan, capital Tashkent, currency Uzbekistan Sam. Tajikistan, capital Dushanbe, currency Samoni. Kyrgyzstan, capital Bishkek, currency Sam. Kazakhstan, capital Nur Sultan, currency Tenge. Turkmenistan, capital Ashgabat, currency Turkmen New Manat. Iran, capital Tehran, currency Iranian Rial. Iraq, capital Baghdad, currency Iraqi dinar. Kuwait, capital Kuwait City, currency Kuwaiti dinar. Israel, capital Jerusalem, currency Israeli new shekel. Armenia, capital Yerevan, currency dram. Lebanon, capital Beirut, currency Lebanese pound. Azerbaijan, capital Baku, currency manat. Georgia, capital Tbilisi, currency lari. Syria, capital Damascus, currency Syrian pound. Turkey, capital Ankara, currency Turkish lira. Jordan, capital Amman, currency Jordan dinar. Bahrain, capital Manama, currency Bahraini dinar. Oman, capital Muscat, currency Omani Rial. Qatar, capital Doha, currency Qatari Rial. Yemen, capital Sana'a, currency Yemeni Rial. Saudi Arabia, capital Riyadh, currency Saudi Riyal. United Arab Emirates, capital Abu Dhabi, currency UAE dirham. Now it's quiz time. Which country's flag is this? Options: India, Russia, North Korea, Nepal. Answer D, Nepal. Question second. What is the capital of India? Seoul, Islamabad, New Delhi, Mumbai. Answer C, New Delhi. Third question. What is the currency of Saudi Arabia? Options: rupee, dollar, yen, rial. And answer D, rial. Thank you everyone for watching video. If you like video, please subscribe Goria Kids channel and press bell icon so that you get the notification of new video.